Our 110 and 120 voltage donuts and funnel cake fryer. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 18 inches, a depth of 21.5 inches, overall height of 14 inches tall. Like the rest of our donut fryers, the top cover can be removed, and this will act as a conveyor stand for either the left or right side. So on the front will be a clip with a handle that can be adjusted and positioned either on the right or left side. Measurement for the storage area will include 17 inches in depth by 17 inches in length. Included will be 2 baskets that can act as separate or individual holder for your donuts or funnel cakes. Each basket will measure 15 inches in length by 14 inches in depth. So whether individually or together, this basket can be placed on the storage area to the left or right side, whichever you prefer. Heating element on the bottom that is held by a bar that can be locked and positioned so the bottom of the cooking area, it can be clean and for maintenance. Lower right corner is a valve for draining the oil. On the top of the fryer, we have your power switch along with your temperature control gauge and the reset button. Light indicator for the temperature control and a power switch on top. Coming to the back, we have our SA certification sticker along with the technical specs for this fryer and the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.